Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. We are amazed unto how God has been so merciful and gracious to us, giving us life every day, giving us undeserved blessings that we know that we are not worthy about, giving us many things that we have worked on and prayed for. But then after hearing our readings today, it seems to be the opposite now. Not anymore as amazed unto how God has been working, but God amazed to His people how they have reacted, how they have responded to His many ways and means to bless us. He was amazed with the big contrition, the sincerity, and the heart of David. After the loss of all the tribes, after his sin, after all the desolations his people meant and embraced, we now heard once more David expressing his full-hearted contrition. And God was amazed with that contrition. That is why He asked that the pestilence be ceased, that mercy now be for David and his kin once again. And on the one hand, Jesus was not amazed with the abundance of faith or contrition, but amazed with the lack of faith. Not of his disciples, but of his own kin and people. Hindi na sa kasaganaan ng pananampalataya, kundi sa kawalan naman ng pananampalataya ng mga taong ito. And with the lack of faith, he was not able to perform any mighty deeds. And it is a good invitation and a good wake-up call for us, my dear friends, that just like David himself, his own people, his own natives, the natives of Jesus, they too expressed their sincere needs in front of God. Sila din naman ay may pangangailangan sa Diyos. Pero pinakita nila ang kaganahan ng kanilang pananampalataya at ang isa naman ang kawalan ng pananampalataya. All of us here would have our particular needs addressed to God in this Mass, in our daily prayer, in our daily life. Na maging mabuti tayo, yumaman tayo, magkaisa tayo, maging masagana ang bansa natin at ang bawat isa. But let us look at ourselves if we are having that abundance of faith or are we having that nothingness of faith inside us, so that we let God be amazed with the faith and trust we have to Him. And once we've shown the abundance of our faith, our trust, and our hope in God, He will respond with miracles and blessings that will make us amazed with His many good deeds and the mighty hands He has been giving us every day.